Where's her nose? Gentle, gentle. Where's her nose? Nose.
Can you give her a hug? Give your sister a hug.
Good boy.
Give her kisses?
Give her kisses. Give her pounds. Good boy. Give her high fives. High five. Give her high fives. Good boy.
Can you give her a kiss?
Oh, good boy.
Good boy, Keller.